If you've been following the tech world, you know that the global GPU market is at an all-time high. A testimony to this GPU boom is the recent meteoric rise of Nvidia. But there's a major supply challenge. Graphic processing units, or GPUs, are essential for everything, from gaming to artificial intelligence. But getting your hands on one can be tough and expensive, and that's where AETHIR comes in. AETHIR is set to change the game by making it easier to access GPU power wherever you are in the world. If you missed out on Nvidia's meteoric rise, don't miss out on AETHIR as well. Watch this video until the end to find out all you need to know about AETHIR. Let's get started. So, what exactly is AETHIR? At its core, AETHIR is a decentralized cloud computing platform. But what does that mean? Well, traditional cloud computing relies on centralized data centers, but AETHIR takes a different approach. It uses a decentralized model to aggregate and redistribute underutilized GPUs from various sources. That means that instead of relying on a few big data centers, AETHIR takes advantage of the unused computing power of GPUs scattered across the globe. Think of it like Airbnb for GPUs. Instead of letting your GPU sit idle, you can share its power with others and earn passive income or rewards. AETHIR offers a solution to the critical challenge of GPU shortages. By aggregating and redistributing underutilized GPUs, AETHIR taps into the vast potential of idle capacity. This not only optimizes resource usage, but also democratizes access to advanced computing power. It allows anyone with a GPU to participate in the network, making high-performance computing more accessible and affordable than ever before. One of the coolest things about AETHIR is its decentralized ownership model. This means the infrastructure isn't owned by a single entity, but is spread out geographically, making it more robust and resilient. By connecting all these underutilized GPUs, AETHIR ensures that computing power is always available when you need it. Meanwhile, AETHIR's system is designed to be user-friendly. Once you connect your GPU to the network, AETHIR takes care of the rest. It efficiently allocates resources based on demand, ensuring that tasks are processed quickly and effectively. This is particularly beneficial for applications that require significant computational power, such as rendering 3D graphics or training machine learning models. With this, you can see how AETHIR plans to revolutionize the cloud computing space. Now, let's break down how AETHIR actually works. The platform has created a clever system where different participants, called containers, checkers, and indexers, work together to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's start with containers. These are like the powerhouses of the AETHIR network, doing the heavy lifting like running games or processing AI tasks. They're the virtual machines that host the applications and services users want to access. When you use AETHIR to play a game or run an AI model, it's the containers that make it happen behind the scenes. Next up, we have the checkers. These guys are like the quality control experts of the network, making sure all the containers are performing optimally. They continuously monitor the containers, verifying that they're providing the computational power and resources they claim to offer. This helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the AETHIR network, ensuring users get the best possible experience. Then we have the indexers. Indexers are like the matchmakers of AETHIR, connecting users with the best available containers for their needs. When you request a service on AETHIR, it's the indexers that spring into action, analyzing factors like the container's performance, price, and location to find the perfect match. They're the ones that make sure your request is fulfilled quickly and efficiently. Together, these three roles form the backbone of the AETHIR network, creating a decentralized, efficient, and reliable cloud computing platform that's accessible to everyone. One of the coolest things about AETHIR is its focus on gaming and AI. By tapping into a global network of GPUs, AETHIR can provide super fast and efficient cloud gaming experiences, letting you play your favorite games without needing a fancy, expensive computer. No more worrying about hardware requirements or compatibility issues. With AETHIR, you can enjoy top-notch gaming performance right from your browser. And for the AI enthusiasts out there, AETHIR's platform is a dream come true. It allows developers and businesses to tackle complex AI tasks without breaking the bank, giving them access to the massive computational power needed to train and run advanced AI models. This is a game changer for industries like healthcare, finance, and scientific research, where AI is becoming increasingly important, but the cost can be prohibitive. Now let's talk about the ATH Token. which is central to Aethir's ecosystem. The ATH token serves several key functions. The primary use of ATH is for payments within the Aethir network. If you want to use Aethir's services, you'll need ATH tokens to pay for them. This creates a seamless and efficient payment system, eliminating the need for traditional currency transactions. ATH tokens also play a role in network governance. Token holders can vote on important decisions affecting the platform. This gives the community a say in its future direction. It ensures that Aethir remains a user-driven platform, responsive to the needs and preferences of its users. Another important function of the ATH token is staking. By staking your ATH tokens, you can earn rewards and help secure the network. This is a great way to earn passive income while supporting the platform. Staking also enhances network security by encouraging users to lock up their tokens, reducing the likelihood of malicious activities. ATH tokens are also used to incentivize users to maintain high standards of service. By earning tokens, contributors are motivated to keep their GPUs running smoothly and efficiently. This ensures the overall quality of the network is top-notch. ATH also provides a mechanism for quality assurance, as users are rewarded for contributing reliable and efficient resources. As of the time of this video, ATH has a total supply of 42 billion tokens and is listed on 16 crypto exchanges. Aethir officially launched on the Ethereum mainnet on June 12, marking a significant milestone for the project. The launch was a huge success, with the ATH token value skyrocketing shortly after. This initial success demonstrated a strong demand for Aethir's innovative approach to cloud computing. It also highlighted the potential of decentralized cloud computing to disrupt traditional models. Before this launch, however, Aethir offered a node sale on March 20, 2024. Basically, people could purchase special licenses to run checker nodes, which help verify the performance and integrity of the network. What's interesting here is that the response to the node sale was nothing short of incredible. Reports show that Aethir raised a staggering $60 million in just 30 minutes. This massive demand and belief in Aethir's vision is a testament to the project's potential and the excitement surrounding it. Apart from the node sale, Aethir also conducted an airdrop to reward early adopters in May 2024. The project distributed 630 million ATH tokens in an airdrop in which over 860,000 people participated and 670,000 badges were claimed. That said, if you participated, you might have received some free ATH tokens. And you want to make sure you get these tokens soon because you have until August 11, 2024 to claim your free tokens. If you are eligible for the airdrop, claiming your ATH tokens is a straightforward process. First, visit the official Aethir website and navigate to the airdrop section. You'll need to connect your Ethereum wallet to the Aethir platform. Once connected, the system will automatically detect if you're eligible for the airdrop. If you are, you'll see the number of tokens you can claim. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Your tokens will be transferred to your wallet instantly. Now, depending on when you're seeing this video, you still have the chance to partake in future airdrops by Aethir. Aethir has plans for future airdrops to continue engaging with the community and rewarding its users. The next airdrop, or Season 2 airdrop, is scheduled to take place in early 2025. After that, a Season 3 airdrop should take place at the end of 2025. To be eligible, all you have to do is stay active within the Aethir ecosystem. This can include staking your tokens, participating in governance votes, or contributing GPU resources to the network. Keep in mind that future airdrops are expected to be even more rewarding, with increased token allocations and additional benefits for active participants. Looking ahead, Aethir has an ambitious roadmap filled with exciting developments. One of the key areas of focus is AI-driven solutions. Aethir plans to integrate AI-driven solutions to enhance the platform's capabilities. This will include advanced analytics and real-time decision-making tools, making the platform even more powerful and versatile. Another upcoming feature is the development of real-time collaboration systems. This will allow multiple users to work together seamlessly, making Aethir ideal for team projects. Finally, Aethir plans to launch AETHIR Earth, a comprehensive mapping and data visualization tool that leverages the power of decentralized computing. Whether you're tracking environmental changes, monitoring infrastructure, or analyzing market trends, AETHIR Earth will be a valuable resource. Aethir is set to revolutionize the GPU market by making advanced computing power more accessible and affordable. With its disruptive GPU solution, undeniable use case, future airdrops, and growing AI GPU hype, Aethir is definitely a project to keep on your radar. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.